The Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF bundle is a game-changer in the world of DIY t-shirt printing, delivering exceptional speed and precision. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below at the latest price. This all-in-one package comes complete with a printer, oven, laptop, and essential consumables designed to elevate your printing workflow with professional-grade technology. At the heart of the Lancelot M1630 Pro is its ability to print at double the speed of popular models like the Epson L1800 and R1390. This is thanks to its smart autofilm cutting system, which effortlessly handles both single sheets and roll-fed films, reducing manual intervention and enhancing productivity. Whether you are running a busy clothing studio or starting a small business, this printer bundle offers unmatched efficiency. One of the standout features is its patented holiday mode, an automatic cleaning system that prevents nozzle clogs during idle periods. This innovation, paired with the advanced white ink circulation, significantly extends the print head lifespan by up to 40% compared to standard DTF or DEG machines. Additionally, waste ink alerts help reduce consumable waste by 30%, making the printer economical as well as powerful. The upgraded film feeding mechanism is designed to eliminate common issues like paper jams by accommodating A3 and A4 sized sheets or rolls with ease. This ensures smooth, uninterrupted printing every time. For beginners and DIY enthusiasts, the printer is incredibly user-friendly, offering a plug-and-play setup with pre-calibrated settings. Simply load your designs, hit print, and watch your creations come to life without any technical hassle. Included in the bundle is a highly compatible laptop preloaded with all the necessary drivers and software to guarantee stable data transfer and seamless operation. This integration allows your printing business to run smoothly without compatibility concerns. Compared to traditional DEG printers, the Lancelot M1630 Pro excels with more durable prints that don't require fabric pretreatment, and it supports a wider range of materials, including vibrant colors on dark fabrics. This versatility makes it a smart investment for any custom apparel creator. Finally, the brand provides professional after-sales technical support via remote service, ensuring you never feel stuck or unsupported. Just provide your WhatsApp number upon purchase, and their expert team will assist you promptly. In summary, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF bundle combines speed, durability, ease of use, and comprehensive support, making it an ideal choice for anyone serious about high-quality DIY t-shirt printing.